Successful voters could open the door to the polls today to cast ballots in up to 2 city commission races.
Good morning, elections.
In the past, Gainesville's spring election has been low on people's to-do list, but County Supervisor of Elections Pam Carpenter thinks today will be different.
But with being on the presidential preference primary ballot, they usually do see an increase in turnout.
Committed voters we spoke to expressed the importance of participating.
We like to participate because this is our privilege and our freedom in this country to do so. We have a great voting place and the process is good.
Others expressed their disappointment in historically low turnout.
It's ridiculous because about 10% of the people or less vote that are eligible.
From what we've seen today, many people haven't been making the trip out to the polls, but that being said, many voters have taken advantage of absentee ballots and early voting. These early votes generally account for about 35% of all votes.
We hear from the voters that they really like early voting. They like having the opportunity to schedule voting on their own schedule.
For city races, there are different issues that may bring people to the polls.
There are quite a few issues. People need jobs, they're unemployed, so they need to get out and vote.
I really think it's the neighborhood protection and the environment.
Whether it's early voting or not, voting is encouraged.
To make a change in the town that they actually live in, they have to vote in a municipal election.
Lisette Portales, WUFT News.